everybody, welcome back for another weekly vlog. It has taken me, oh my gosh, I intended for this video to go out before I had the baby, but Tayson was early. This project has been a long, some of these behind the scenes videos are actually from before Tayson was born when I was still huge pregnant. Let's get into it. Here they are, they're here, only for 4 seconds and my mom's already moving everything around. We're moving the couch and the crib. I'm excited to see how this turns out. It's all coming together. If you guys remember in my vlog when we were moving into this house like 2.5 years ago, I did the exact same thing when they came. I just laid on the ground or on the couch and they just did it all for me.
Where the other screw goes.
Look what we got in the mail. I don't know why I've just been so excited for this. Okay, shove your face in it and see if you can breathe.
Holy crap! You can breathe almost as good as just breathing in air.
You're an idiot.
Dang. It kind of leaves a weird aftertaste, I'm not gonna lie. But, is that interesting?
Yeah, you can breathe so good. All right, after what seems like forever, we are finally getting our nursery finished. Hey, you're already here and the nursery's still not done? What the heck? Where's my face? Find my face.
Okay, can you hand me this?
We got big guy over here, putting the letters up. Last finishing touches. So this first wall is probably my favorite. I had previously painted the chevron stripes on and I just decided to keep them. I wanted this to be kind of like realistic safari jungle kind of theme. So I found 3 of my very favorite pictures of my very favorite animals. I got some frames just off Amazon for like $7 a piece. They were pretty cheap. And then I just painted them myself. My very favorite sign of all time says "Be Brave." I got this from the cutest little shop. I will link her Instagram and social media down below. Also, side note, I found a ton of my decorations from either Amazon or the dollar store or the DI. This onesie is probably my very favorite keepsake. I took it to both of my baby showers and had everybody that came sign it. I ended up getting some of these animals from Dollar Tree, actually. I spray painted over some of them. Funny story about this, I could not for the life of me find a Y. And so I ended up just buying an X and then cutting off half of it. But I think it turned out great. And then I got these chevron arrows from Amazon. I got this cute little airplane from the DI and I just painted it red. On Amazon Prime Day, we kind of went a little bit crazy and ordered a ton of stuff. I ended up getting this crib and the changing table. This mattress, I have done a ton of research because I have like such high anxiety and I'm just terrified of my baby suffocating. It's actually about $300, which I know, super pricey. It is amazing. It is so breathable. The mattress sheets is actually from Burt's Bees. It's not as breathable. Definitely just have it on here for looks. And then when my baby will sleep in the crib, I actually take it off. These bookshelves are my favorite. I don't even know what their purpose originally is. I found them at a thrift store. I got this rocking chair actually off Craigslist. I think for like $100. I am obsessed with it. And then on this wall, we just have a map. Again, trying to tie in the safari traveling theme. And last but not least is my changing station. I love how it turned out and I hope you guys did too. I will link everything down below where I got it, what store I got it from, yada yada yada. If this is your first time seeing me and my family, hey, what's up? I'm Nicole Jordan and I post weekly vlogs like this. So if you'd like to see more, make sure to subscribe. We would love to have you come be part of the family and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.